Welcome my friends, I have another abstract background for Fusion DaVinci Resolve and template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in the video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Just drag and drop abstract background number 15, connect to media out, ungroup like this. Press number 2 on the keyboard on media out, wait few seconds to render, and then you will get the background. As you can see, the background is gradient. I included 2 nodes, you can add something, and here is the text, 2 text, abstract background and text 15, and three parts here that are used with a duplicate for the other side, and it's basically it. First one is the blue one, and on top is the second one, and the third on the top of everything. And use the background color with 4 corners. You can adjust this, and it's fairly simple. I want to say that from now on I will make all my templates in 4K because I want this higher detail. If you want to 1080p, all you have to do here, I will show you, change the size 0.5. okay, and now all you have to do is drag this a little bit out, and just like this. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.